this. So this here was the design of like the actual, like what, someone says, cool project. I saw a couple videos. How does it work? How do you know that Katy Perry Dark Horse equals this pattern? So in computer code, you usually get something like this, where you have, certain letters are tied to a certain number. And in this way, you can kind of encode information, kind of like a binary, where you turn everything into numbers, everything into 1 and 0. Now, in computer stuff, black and white can only get you so far. So instead of just having numbers tied to certain letters as a computer code that like runs to turn the song into the pattern, it made a lot of sense to have like a color code. And then this makes it a lot easier for little kids to remember. Like, how are you supposed to remember how it works? So I always start by saying, think of like common things in nature. So like a yellow sun, a gray moon, red fire, blue water, a green tree, a purple flower, and brown soil. So this became we have 7 numbers, 7 colors, and if you're not sure what pattern is what, you can always, this is the chart for the computer coding. So given any word in any language, let's say the word fish, or the word, I don't know, like a river. River begins with a R sound. So R is in this group, so R becomes a blue for a blue block. A word like, dad, so dad begins with a D sound. That square will be red and given the number 3. And because it's sound-based, you can do any word in any language, you'll get a color. And this is a simpler version where I show just 2 letters per block, but it covers all letters, and you just have to skip the vowels. Here's the code. Yeah, this is the magical code. Excellent.